Cleaning can be a hassle, but not anymore. The 1,250-watt powerful handheld steam cleaner is built to make the job easier, faster, and more effective. It combines the power of pressurized steam with detergent, cutting through grease, grime, and stubborn stains with ease. From kitchens to bathrooms, windows to floors, this multifunctional steamer handles it all. Whether it's oil stains on a stove, soap scum in a shower, or dirt on tile grout, this machine makes cleaning effortless. Plus, it comes with 12 specialized attachments to take on any cleaning task. At 1,250 watts, this steam cleaner packs serious power. It produces high-pressure steam that loosens dirt and disinfects surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. The 360-degree cleaning angle ensures that no spot is out of reach, making it easy to clean corners, edges, and even underneath furniture. And thanks to the extra-long 9.8-foot power cord, you can move freely around the room without constantly switching outlets. Deep, clean your home without the hassle of cords holding you back. Safety is always a concern with steam cleaners, and this one has you covered. The secure safety lock and cap ensure that no steam escapes accidentally. With a simple smart lock mechanism, the trigger stays locked, keeping it safe from children, pets, or unexpected mishaps. Refilling is also safe and easy. Just remember, always unplug the device, release any leftover steam, and wait for it to cool before opening the cap. It's a small step that ensures safe operation every time. This isn't just any steam cleaner, it's a 12-in-1 multi-purpose tool. The window cleaning tool keeps glass spotless, while the ironing brush refreshes fabrics like curtains, upholstery, and even clothes. The round nylon and iron brushes are perfect for tackling stubborn dirt, and the bent and straight nozzles help reach tight spaces. Plus, with an extension hose, a measuring cup, and a funnel, setup and use are as convenient as possible. One of the biggest challenges in cleaning is removing built-up grime, especially in places like the bathroom. Soap scum, mold, and mildew don't stand a chance against the power of steam. And because this steamer works with any type of detergent, you can boost its cleaning power for even better results. Just remember, turn off the detergent switch when not in use. If left on, steam can pull in air and cause unwanted water spray. A simple trick for a smoother cleaning experience. With its powerful steam, long reach, and multi-purpose attachments, the 1,250-watt handheld steam cleaner is a true cleaning powerhouse. Say goodbye to tough stains, bacteria, and odors. This little machine does it all. Whether you're cleaning up daily messes or tackling deep cleaning projects, this steamer is the perfect tool to make your home fresher, cleaner, and healthier. Powerful, portable, and easy to use, the 1,250-watt handheld steam cleaner makes cleaning a breeze. No more scrubbing for hours, no more harsh chemicals, just pure steam power for a spotless home.